P. Shumane. NP Shumane and ZL Lala. We are done with the languages. We are starting with content subjects now. I will take consumer studies from quintile 4 to 5. The following teachers have gotten the prize coming from Unisi Secondary School, J. Novel. Mistakes do happen, colleagues. Thank you. Let's proceed. The category is consumer studies, quintile 1 to 3. The representative is coming from Being Secondary School, N. Melani. Then we will pause and take a photo here, colleagues. We can clap hands for them. The next category is tourism for quintals 4 to 5. The program director. So the best performing subject is a teacher coming from tourism, quintal 4 and 5. The teacher is coming from St. Andrew's Combined School. It's N. Jackinson. N. Jackinson. Thank you, sir. For tourism in quintile 1 to 3, we have a representative coming from Ikaelelo Secondary School, and it's KB Valashia. KB Valashia. The best performing teacher in drama